in nature, hence it reacts with calcium carbonate. The gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide present in the air, they react with the water and they form acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, which corrode the marble buildings, because marble building is made up of calcium carbonate. Calcium oxide can be reduced to calcium by heating with sodium metal. This is the next question. Which compound would act as an oxidizing agent in the above process? तो रिएक्शन क्या है? रिएक्शन है कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस सोडियम. तो इट विल फॉर्म कैल्शियम प्लस sodium oxide. During this reaction, what is happening? During this reaction, calcium oxide is losing oxygen and sodium is gaining oxygen. Now, sodium is gaining oxygen from calcium oxide. So, calcium oxide is acting as an oxidizing agent. So, in the above process, calcium oxide is the oxidizing agent. And sodium is getting oxidized. It is combining with oxygen. It is gaining oxygen, means it is getting oxidized. Section B, question 18. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated copper 2 oxide. Copper 2 oxide मतलब क्या? Copper 2 oxide मतलब copper की जो oxidation state है इस oxide में वो है +2. ऑक्सीजन की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट होती है -2. तो कॉपर 2 ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा CuO. Copper and steam are formed. Write the balanced chemical equation with physical states for this reaction. What kind of chemical reaction is this? तो ये reaction हो जाएगी. Equation for the reaction will be CuO plus hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन गैसियस स्टेट में है, कॉपर ऑक्साइड सॉलिड स्टेट में है, फॉर्मिंग Cu. अगेन दिस इज इन सॉलिड स्टेट प्लस H2O. स्टीम मतलब गैसियस स्टेट. और इसको बैलेंस करना है. दिस इज बैलेंस्ड. दिस इक्वेशन इज बैलेंस्ड. नाउ सिंस हाइड्रोजन गैस इज पास्ड ओवर हीटेड कॉपर ऑक्साइड, तो हीट का सिंबल है. Above the arrow, put the symbol of heat. So this is the chemical equation with the physical states of the various reactants and products. What kind of chemical reaction is this? See here, copper oxide is changing into copper, means it is losing oxygen. And hydrogen is changing into water, means it is gaining oxygen. तो किस तरह का reaction हो गया ये? This is a redox reaction. Copper oxide is getting reduced to copper and hydrogen is getting oxidized to H2O. तो redox reaction है and it is also a displacement reaction. Hydrogen is displacing oxygen from copper oxide. Question 19. A teacher provided acetic acid, water, lemon juice, aqueous solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium hydroxide to students in the school laboratory to determine the pH values of these substances using pH papers. One of the students reported the pH values of the given substances as 3, 12, 4, 8 and 14 respectively. Which one of these values is not correct? Write its correct value stating the reason. So, acetic acid की pH of acetic acid is reported as 3, correct? Because pH of acetic acid is between 3 and 4. It is acid, so its pH is below 7. Then pH of water is reported as 12. Now this is wrong because water is neutral and pH of water is 7. Lemon juice का pH है 4, correct? Then sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is basic in nature, so pH of sodium hydrogen carbonate is reported as 8, above 7, correct? Sodium hydroxide is a strong base, its pH is reported as 14, correct? So the pH of water is not correct. So answer is water, and correct value of pH of water is 7 because it is neutral. The number of H plus ions given by water is equal to number of OH minus ions. So pH of water is 7. Next question. Blue litmus solution is added to two test tubes A and B containing dilute HCl and NaOH solution respectively. टेस्ट ट्यूब ए में डाइल्यूट HCl है, दिस इज टेस्ट ट्यूब ए. टेस्ट ट्यूब बी में NaOH सोल्यूशन है. इन विच टेस्ट ट्यूब अ कलर चेंज विल बी ऑब्जर्व्ड. लिटमस क्या है? ब्लू लिटमस यूज हुआ है. ब्लू लिटमस changes to red when put in acid. State the color change and give its reason. So in acidic solution, blue litmus will change to red. And in NaOH, there will be no color change. So color change will be observed in test tube A. And the change in color is from blue to red. Next question, question 20, give reasons. Carbonate and sulfide ores are usually converted into oxides during the process of extraction. इसका reason क्या होगा? It is easy to reduce metal oxide. Metal oxide को reduce करना easy है than the carbonates and the sulfides. So carbonates and sulfides are converted to oxides which are then reduced to the metal. B. Aluminium is highly reactive metal. Still it is widely used in making cooking utensils. Reactive metal है because of which it forms a layer of aluminium oxide. It reacts with oxygen. It reacts with oxygen and a layer of aluminium oxide is formed. Now this layer of aluminium oxide will prevent further reaction of the metal, making it resistant to corrosion and suitable for cooking. Name the material transported by the following: xylem, water and minerals; pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to lungs; pulmonary veins, oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium; phloem, it transports food in the form of carbohydrate or sugar from leaf to other parts of the plant. Define neuron. Name the parts of neuron where information is required. Impulse must be converted into chemical signal for onward transmission. This is a theory question, so this answer can be obtained from book. Next question, how do the shoot and roots of a plant respond to the pull of Earth's gravity? Shoot grows away from gravity, so it shows negative geotropism. Roots grow towards gravity, so they show positive geotropism. Question number 24. An object is placed at a distance of 30 cm from a concave lens. This is a lens of focal length 15 cm. List 4 characteristics, nature, position, etc. of the image formed by the lens. What is the formula of the lens? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Concave lens use हुआ है तो object distance is given, focal length is given. So image distance will be obtained as 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Focal length is given as 15. Since it is concave lens, it will be minus 15. Object distance is given as 30. So it is minus 30. Solving, this will be minus 2 minus 1 by 30. Take LCM, 15 and 30. LCM is 30. Solving, this is minus 1 by 10. So image distance will be minus 10. Taking the inverse, 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10. So v is equal to minus 10. So image distance आ गई and it is with negative sign. Magnification is equal to v by u. So v is minus 10 and u is minus 30. So v by u is 1 by 3, that is 0.33. So nature of the image, image is diminished. Then position of the image, since image distance is -10, negative sign shows that the image is formed on the same side as the object. So position of the image is on the same side as the object. Nature of the image is virtual and it is erect. Magnification is positive and image is, since magnification is 0.33, less than 1, image is diminished, and type of the image, it may be a point image or it may be a diminished image. Question 25. State any one point of difference in direct current and alternating current. Which current is most commonly produced at power stations in our country? Direct current flows only in one direction and alternate current periodically reverses its direction. In power stations, alternate current is produced. Give reasons for the following. Why are copper and aluminum wires used as connecting wire? Copper and aluminum wires are used as connecting wires because they are ductile, they are malleable, and they are good conductors of electricity. B part of the question. Why is tungsten used for filament of electric lamp? Because tungsten has very high melting point, so it withstands very high temperature to produce light without melting. मेल्ट नहीं होता है टंगस्टन वायर, melting point बहुत high है, so when it is heated to a very high temperature, it glows producing light without melting.